Our top focus this morning, it's the fourth day after the Indian aircraft AN-32 went missing. Right now, search operations are on, but there is still no sign of the Air Force plane AN-32 that went missing on Friday morning. The search has now entered its fourth day. Air Force and Navy officials said the search was continuing, but no signs of any wreckage has been found so far. 18 Navy and Coast Guard ships, including a submarine, aircraft like P-81, C-130 and Dorniers are involved in a massive search operation in the Bay of Bengal, about 150 nautical miles east of Chennai, where the inclement weather appeared to be a hurdle. The plane left the Tambaram Air Base near Chennai at 8:30 a.m. on Friday. Once it landed at the Port Blair around 11:45 a.m. It fell off the radar and still search is on.
The search area has been increased because as you understand that as time progresses, we will have to increase the search area. The aerial search area from yesterday has increased today. We have put in more aircraft for the search. Indian Air Force has reached out to each and every families for all those people who are on board. There are places where very far-flung areas, officers have reached there and assured the family members that we are standing by them at this hour of uncertainty, and we are hopeful that something positive will come out, and every possible effort, every possible thing that can be done is being done and will be done.
सभी बेसब्री से बैठे हैं, घर पे इंतजार कर रहे हैं, सभी रिश्तेदार आए हुए हैं, सब भाई बहन इकट्ठे हुए हैं, सब इंतजार कर रहे हैं, भगवान से फरियाद कर रहे हैं कि जल्दी से जल्दी घर आ रहे हैं, और भी बाकी जो जितने भी वहाँ पे हैं उनके साथ उनके लिए भी दुआ कर रहे हैं कि सभी सही सलामत घर पहुँच जाएं।
तो हमारी यही गुजारिश है गवर्नमेंट के आगे भी, जैसे बच्चा हमारा ठीक ठाक कोशिश करें, ठीक ठाक घर पहुँचा दें, बाकी वालों की भी यही है।
There are jobs. I can assure you, this Modi government, particularly Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar and Home Minister, is a man of poor peoples. This Modi statement, first statement, our budget is mainly for the poor peoples and particularly defence personnel. Whatever help to be given the ministry, that you will get, that those people will get. And I can give you the guarantee through media channels, all necessary help, whatever permissible in the law and defence.
Now, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar also did an aerial survey and oversaw the search operations. Here's a look at what exactly happened to get you a sense of where the aircraft went missing. It was from Chennai Tambaram Airport where the aircraft first started at around 8:30 a.m. Around 9:12 a.m. it went missing off the radar. It was supposed to reach Port Blair, but there was no sign of AN-32. This is the surface search area right now that is being explored, and also this is another search area that is being explored from the Port Blair side, and this is the zone where you have the aircraft deployed, and here is where the Indian Air Force is searching for the missing AN-32 plane. But there were also reports that the satellite had spotted some object in this area yesterday, although not confirmed whether that is AN-32 debris. With each passing minute, the hope for passengers on board, 29 of them, is getting dim. We have Indrajit, who is joining us this morning. Indrajit, what's the latest that you're getting? The family members of the missing people on the aircraft are only growing anxious. Are we looking at the search operation having some success?
Well, it's more than 72 hours that the search operation is being conducted by Indian forces in the Bay of Bengal. It's one of the biggest such exercises that is being carried out by the forces, and it remains against all odds, against inclement weather. Now, the weather seems to be holding up a bit since yesterday. At least that's what we've been told by, the forces who are conducting the operation right now. Here, as far as Port Blair is concerned, there are at least two families which belong to two people on board that ill-fated missing AN-32 aircraft. We spoke to one family, Airman Raghuveer Verma, whose family has been claiming that they were, living anxious moments, and there was very little information that was being fetched by the forces here in Port Blair. Now, ever since we aired that story, the Ministry of Defence and the Indian Navy has also come out with their own statements saying that an all-out effort have been launched to also reach out to the families, the aggrieved families of these members who have gone missing in that aircraft. We've also spoken to the MP of Andaman here, Bishnupada Ray, the sole BJP MP. Even he has said that he is in touch with those families, and every effort would be made to soothe them, to provide them some sort of information so that there can be some amount of support that is provided to those families, because the families are in absolute darkness. They're hoping against hope at this point in time. 72 hours have passed, and slowly hope seems to be giving way to despair as far as these families are concerned.
Well, thanks Najeet for joining us with that update. We're also hoping and praying that there are survivors from this tragedy. Right now, we'll continue.